This is Coventry today, a city rebuilt from the ashes, its cathedral spire rising above new streets and quiet squares. Life moves on here, but the city still holds stories we have yet to reckon with. In 1969, in the quiet city of Coventry, England, a small medical study began, one that would later be remembered as a dark and troubling chapter in British research. 21 Indian-origin women were invited to take part in what they were told was a harmless nutrition project. They were asked to eat chapatis, their daily bread, made from special flour prepared by doctors. But that flour wasn't ordinary. It contained a radioactive form of iron, a chemical tracer designed to measure how much iron the body could absorb from traditional South Asian food. The women were told little, if anything, about the risks. Many didn't speak or read English, and the consent forms were written only in that language. They trusted the doctors, they ate what was given, and when the study ended, they went back to their lives, never knowing that their bodies had been used to test the effects of radioactive food. No one checked on their health afterward. No one explained what had really happened. The researchers later claimed that the exposure was small, comparable to a single chest X-ray, and that the goal was to help fight anemia in immigrant communities. But what was missing was something far more important than data: informed consent, dignity, and respect. The women's trust had been quietly betrayed. Decades later, journalists uncovered the truth. It became known as the Coventry Experiment. Families began to wonder whether their mothers or grandmothers had been part of it. Many felt shock, sadness, and anger, not just at the experiment itself, but at how easily it had been forgotten. At the time, Britain and other nations were conducting radiation studies on humans, often without proper oversight. By modern standards, it was unethical. By human standards, it was unforgivable. The Coventry case stands as a reminder that science, without empathy, can lose its humanity. Today, Coventry is a city of resilience, rebuilt after war, renewed after tragedy. But its quiet streets still whisper lessons from the past. The women who ate those chapatis never sought revenge or fame. They simply deserved the truth. And remembering them is the least we can do.